Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem crawler log folder. We're given a list of operations in a file system. Those operations can be move to the parent folder, and if there is no parent folder because we're already at root, then we do nothing. Stay in the current folder, or descend to a child folder, and this folder is guaranteed to always exist when this operation happens. And you want to say after all these operations how many steps would be necessary to go back to the main folder. Now this is a very simple problem, because since we know that always descending down a child folder will succeed, we just have to keep the depth of our current position in the tree of folders in mind and adjust it for each operation. So how does the depth that we're at, starting at 0 because we start at the root folder, change in each operation? Well, if we're being asked to go up to the parent folder, then it decreases by 1, but it cannot go below 0 because we cannot go up when we're in the root folder. If we remain in the same folder, then nothing changes. Otherwise, the only thing that's left is moving to a child folder. We know that this is always possible, and in that case the depth increases by 1. And the final depth is the answer, because that means that this is how many folders deep we are, and for every folder in that depth we would have to perform this move up to the parent folder once to get back to the root, to the main folder. So this is our result.